All right, today we're going to look at a classic style in a brand new color. Estetica has a brand new color. This is SPF Blonde. It is very blonde. This is shown on the wig Mellow. Now, this wig was provided by Wig Studio One. If you go to the drop-down box below this video, there'll be a link there to this wig, as well as don't forget to use my code Crazy30 and you can save yourself a little money over at Wig Studio One. All right, also don't forget, join them in a private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. And if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to them at support@wigstudio1.com. Now, this style, now, you know, if you've seen my videos before on Mellow, it took me a long time to make this style my own. I never thought I could wear it. And then I did a video where I showed you how I kind of modified one, and now I love it. And that's the beauty of wig wearing. You might put a wig on one time and you just think, nah, this is not for me, but don't give up on it. Go back to it, make it your own, and you might find out you just like it. Now, before we talk about this new color, let's just do a quick review of Mellow. Textured, wavy bob, lots and lots of choppy layers in this wig, and this is a synthetic style. This has been a bestseller for Estetica for a long time for a reason. People really love this wig. Now, I'm going to insert the inside of the cap here for you to see. It has a lace front. And it has a deep mono part. I show you that in the video. It's open wefted. It also has an open extended nape, and it has the hook adjusters. All right, let's talk about the fit. It fits a little large on me. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and I find that Estetica fits me just a little large. Easy to take care of with the adjusters. Now, the specs of Mellow, the bang is 9 inches on this. So it has a long bang. The sides are 8. The nape is 6¼ on this one. Y'all, this is so cute. I want to show you the lace front. I'm going to get up here so you can see the lace front. Really nicely done. And it has good coverage. There's my bio hair on both sides. So yes, this is a classic. I like just the ease of it. Throw it on and go. Now let's talk about SPF Blonde. I'm also going to insert some outdoor footage so you can see how it looks in indirect lighting. And y'all keep in mind, I am filming just with a ring light and some overhead lights. It's an overcast day, so there's not a lot of sun out, but that's how I'm filming this. And I think this gives you, I'm not using any studio lights any longer, so no big box lights or anything. And I think it helps you get a better look at this color. So if you are familiar with Estetica Sunlit Blonde, this is very similar to that. I don't have that color any longer to show you a comparison, but I believe this one is a little warmer than that, but they are very similar colors. So SPF Blonde, lots of blondes here. This is a very blonde shade. It has some golden blonde. You'll see some pale blonde running through here, some iced blonde, and it's all on this soft brown root. It is so pretty. It is just a very, I don't know, I guess they named it great, SPF Blonde, because it reminds me of summertime, this color. Like, this is just such a beautiful summertime color. So the beauty of Mellow, I think, is, like I said, just the throw on and go, easy to wear. Now I'm going to put a little bit of the Piece to Perfection on mine. If you haven't seen this before, it's one of my favorite styling mists. This is from Wig Studio One, Push Hair by Wig Studio One. They developed this. This does not have a scent. I like that very much about this product, and it's just a way to piece it out a little. That's just how I like to do, and I think this product does a beautiful job. It doesn't cause a buildup like maybe some of your other styling mists that you've tried. So I feel like I can use this and I don't get a big buildup of product. It's just really a lovely product if you haven't tried it before. But you can see that just gives you a little piecey look if you like that. It has a lace front, so you can easily wear it up and off your face. So I think Mellow is just a real versatile little messy style, and I have fallen in love with it. All right, thanks for joining me today and having a look at a classic, Mellow by Estetica in a brand new color, SPF Blonde. Thank you for joining me. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. And again, thank you Wig Studio One for sending this over for me to review today. Have a great day and I will see you soon.